You start with creating variables for weights and biases. You see, where is it? Where is it? Yes. You create variable which is going to store biases of this convolution. You create a variable which is going to store weights of this variable. Then you specify the multi operations, you specify this model, you forward pass, backward pass, gradient descent, everything. So this is much more complicated, but you get a similar performance boost using this. So that's the reason we can use a core API of Python in TensorFlow. You see, code is not easy to understand. So this is the levels of going through this TensorFlow. So what you have is you are going through step by step, and complication way of complication of model, it is increasing in a step by step manner. So if you go down, then how to read TensorFlow on big data? This code is easy. It is using pandas. Like a NumPy library, pandas is for strings. It is using this library to read data from our cloud repository. And this is our linear regression. If this is present on a bucket which is present as a Hadoop file system, as a simple Hadoop file system on Google Cloud, this the code to do that is like this. You see here? Oops, sorry. G file blob file name. So if I give patterns here, so it could be present anywhere. I could train in a distributed manner. That's why it is a complicated thing to write, but it gives you parallelization when the data is huge. It is like this, and that's it. So in the end, you will find code of the resources of this present here. If you want to go to Keras, datasets, pre-made estimators, feature column, summary, those details are present here. I'll go back to this document, which is ml-tiny.cc ml study jams. I'll give you the access of that document, and extra resources to learn machine learning, I'll give them here. So actually the resource is this one. So I'll compile some of the resources for machine learning and TensorFlow. And you can see if you want to learn machine learning from scratch, what to do. If you are at intermediate level, what to do, where you can find data sets, what are the important academic journals. Arvik Sanity is amazing. Good. These are few YouTube channels I regularly check. This is where you can find implementation of these papers. So all these kind of details I'll put on the same document. The document which was this one, tiny.cc ml study jam. So that is it from my side, and let me take questions. So Pratyusha will take over, and let me know how I can answer these questions. Pratyusha? Yeah.
Thank you, Ajinkya, for the session. And I've also included